We're hoping for over 1,000 bikes. Us down to the meet. Hey guys, welcome to another epic episode of Chasing 299, where we modify a motorcycle and give it away to one of our sponsored Patreons. Guys, keep tuned for way more info and a wonderful modified motorcycle.
Welcome to Chasing 299 once again, guys. I'm Nev, the Storm.
G'day guys.
We're busy with our project bike. As you guys know, it's an MT09 2015 model, and as you guys know, keeping to the true form, we're going to change some cosmetics today, and we're starting with the mirrors and the levers because it's the most obvious
and ghastly thing. Nobody wants these standard butterfly mirrors on their bike. So guys, today we've bought some cool EvoTech levers, and we've received some trial mirrors from one of our followers. So guys, let's see how that turns out. Keep watching and we'll get into more descriptions soon. Hey guys, these are all the tools we're going to be using for installation and extraction, if you want to call it that. We're going to use a 4 Allen key, a 5 Allen key, a ratchet with a short extender and a 10 socket, a 17 spanner, a flathead screwdriver, needs to be quite broad to help with that brake lever, and a 15 spanner as well.
Right guys, now we've unspun the mirrors off the handlebars, but just remember, for those that are doing it for the first time, you have a left hand and a right hand thread on these handlebars, so just be careful when you're undoing them, eh?
So you don't strip them.
Yeah. When you guys undo this handle, make sure this lever, when you take it off, that you don't damage the actual switch that's down here at the bottom.
There's a little switch right here, pushes in and out, so just make sure not to damage that.
And to make sure that this little spacer inside there doesn't go walkabout.
Alright guys, so no brake lever, no mirror, no clutch lever, no mirror. So now I'm going to start installing. So we made a little mistake. The actual size of these rhizoma bolts that go in, there are 6 Allen key, so not a 5. So we'll correct that for future reference, guys. Not that it really matters unless you're actually intending to install some yourself. Then our apologies. So guys, when installing this mirror on the brake, the front brake right hand side, the throttle cables really do get in the way, so just be mindful of that. Hey guys, I know the light's really bad, but look at that. That looks amazing. We'll do some close-up high definition shots of both of them when they come on. So a quick issue that I found was, because I installed this right here, the can't fit this little bolt in because this is in the way. So let's go ahead and move that. So guys, here we have our levers and mirrors. That mirror is still on the purse because, you know, just because. So I had to move it out of the way to get the tiny little screw in there to go through, but it will be looking like so. It looks pretty cool. I'm a fan. I don't know what Dad's gonna think. Dad had to step out for a sec, but we're gonna see if these mirrors actually do well or not. Seeing that they're trial mirrors, someone obviously thinks they don't. But thanks for watching. Hey there guys, thank you very much for watching. Guys, thanks to all of our patrons, we can actually do this build and we can actually modify this motorcycle. Guys, this bike will be going to one of our patrons. Guys, this whole patron series is a basic sponsor, then you stand a chance to win the motorcycle, and basically all your money goes towards the parts that end up on this motorcycle, and your odds are better when you're at a higher level of sponsorship, obviously. But guys, get involved, just get in there. Guys, if you get in at $1, winning this motorcycle for $1 is a shocker, but we have much more planned for it.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. Thank you for staying tuned, and stay tuned for more exciting builds and stuff to be put onto the bike. And remember that this is for your entertainment and
Yes,
a chance
guys.
to win.
Please subscribe, hit the like button, smash it if that's something you're into. Guys, share it with your friends. Hit a comment down below if you have any questions about the Patreon series. We will be gladly answering any questions, because we want you guys to be in the running to win this motorcycle. Basically, the more people we have, the better the bikes will get, and the more parts will end up on the motorcycles, guys. That's just how it is. So get involved so that you can see this thing turn into something that no one else has seen. So guys, keep chasing.
MT09.
At this time, we would like to thank all of our patrons for making this entire series actually possible. David, Nicolise, Jenny, all of you amazing patrons for doing all the hard work that you guys do to help support us in this build. Guys, patrons in particular, we know the Patreon page at the moment is being a little bit silly, and we know of an era where they are charging US dollars instead of AU dollars. Guys, we're currently working on rescheduling and re-scheming the finance part of it so that we can take into consideration the exchange rate. So guys, thank you for watching. Peace.